Hello students, and welcome to Word Chapter 1. In this chapter we will learn how to enter text, check spelling as you type, format paragraphs, format text, undo and redo commands, change theme colors, insert digital pictures, format pictures, add a page border, correct errors and revise a document, change document properties, and then finally print. Let's begin by entering text. As you can see, I've opened up a Microsoft Word 2010 document. Entering text can be achieved by simply single left clicking in the document area and typing with your keyboard. Checking spelling as you typed can be done by right clicking on any word that has a red wavy line underneath it indicating that Microsoft Word finds the word to be misspelled, and then looking at the list of options available to you in this shortcut menu. Obviously this top one is the one I want, using. Single left clicking on that option replaces the word. Next, let's look at formatting paragraphs, formatting text, and the undo and redo commands. On page WD7 in your book, you will see instructions on how to turn formatting marks on. The Formatting Marks button is on the home ribbon in the paragraph grouping, this button right here. By clicking this button, you will notice that all of the invisible keystrokes now have some sort of marking letting you know what keystroke was pressed at that point. Every time the Enter key was pressed, you'll see a backwards P indicating that a new paragraph was started. Every time the space bar was pressed, you'll see a dot indicating a space. And then every time the Tab key was pressed, you'll see an arrow. Turning the formatting marks on helps us to format our document. Anytime we see the paragraph symbol, we know that a line of space was there and can be deleted by putting our cursor into the document and hitting the delete key or the backspace key. Anytime you make a change that you wish you had not made, or anytime you make a mistake, then you can use the undo and redo buttons. They are up here at the very top in the title bar on the far left in the quick access toolbar here. The undo button can also be achieved by hitting Control Z. By pressing this, it will undo all of the most recent actions. Formatting paragraphs can be achieved by using these four buttons in the paragraph grouping. Currently you can see that my first paragraph in my document is left aligned. By placing my cursor anywhere in this first paragraph and clicking one of the other paragraph buttons, I change the alignment from center to right aligned to fully justified. Notice this only changes the formatting for the paragraph that my cursor was in. If I want to change the formatting for my other paragraphs, I have to put my cursor in that paragraph and change the alignment. Next, let's look at changing theme colors. Page WD28 in your book tells us that theme colors are groups of colors that work well together that are used for text, background, accents, and links in a document. Take a look at this Word 2010 document. Notice the page border, the Treetop Airlines title, and the hyperlink to the fictitious website at the bottom. Changing the theme colors can be achieved by navigating to the Change Styles button on the home ribbon at the far right of the Styles grouping. Next, select Colors. The built-in theme colors can be selected from here. Notice that you can actively view the themes as your mouse crosses each theme. By selecting one, you change the theme. Now we are going to insert and format a digital picture and add a page border. This flyer would look good with some sort of graphic. To insert a digital picture into Word, simply navigate to the Insert ribbon and select the Picture button in the Illustrations grouping. This will launch an Insert Picture dialog box, which allows you to browse your files, much like Windows Explorer does. Next, navigate to the picture that you would like to insert in your document. Left-click to select it, then press the Insert button. Now let's format our picture. First, resize the picture to its desired dimensions by selecting the picture, single left clicking a corner of the picture, holding down the left mouse button, and dragging to the desired size. Resizing can also be achieved by using the size grouping in the new Picture Tools Format ribbon, which appears only when you are selected on an inserted picture. Next, position your picture in the desired location by placing your cursor anywhere in the interior of the picture, left-clicking and dragging. Last, you can add picture styles and effects from the Picture Tools Format ribbon. Text wrapping may also be important. The Wrap Text button on the Arrange group allows you to place your picture in various different arrangements, such as behind your text. Finally, we will add a page border. This is achieved by navigating to the Page Layout ribbon and selecting the Page Borders button in the Page Background grouping. I'm going to select a 3D page border.